From the sizzling beef to the crunchy broccoli and the perfectly cooked noodles, every bite is a flavor of explosion. Today, let's make beef and broccoli noodles that are so easy to make, packed with flavors, and better than any takeout. Let's prepare some ingredients. Cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. For the bigger pieces, cut them in half. Rinse them under running water for a few times. Cut the onion into bite-sized pieces. Cut the red chili pepper. Slice the beef against the grain. In a mixing bowl, add the beef flank. Every ingredient in the marinade has a purpose. Salt helps to break down the protein, especially muscle fibers and collagen. Mix until the beef has fully absorbed the salt. White pepper helps to remove the gamey taste. You can also use black pepper. Shaoxing white also helps to remove the gamey taste. You can also replace with other types of cooking white. Egg white helps to tenderize the beef. Cornstarch helps to seal the juice of the beef inside. We have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Oil helps to seal the marinade and the juice inside. Thoroughly combine. Marinate for at least 10 minutes. We are using low-meat egg noodles today. You can replace them with other types of noodles like udon, ramen, linguine, or even angel hair pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the low meat inside and cook for about 3 minutes until al dente. Rinse the low meat with cold water to stop cooking. Drain. In the same pot, add the broccoli inside and blanch for about 1 minute until softened. Remove and drain. In a bowl, add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and water. Whisk. In a wok over high heat, add about 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Transfer the beef inside. Make sure the heat is at the highest to get a nice wok. It helps to get the smoky flavor and char texture. Stir fry it for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Add the onion and stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Return the low meat and cook for about 1 minute. Add the beef, broccoli, red chili peppers, and sauce. Quickly stir everything together. The combination of crunchy broccoli, tender beef, and springy noodles is a game changer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my beef low meat recipe. And let me know in the comments what is your favorite types of noodles. This is absolutely delicious. I love it. So please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!